They're even more impressive up close.
And we're about to get closer. My apologies. Up here.
Coming!
Go on, this way.
You sure it's safe?
You know, you keep asking me that. It'll save us both some time if you...
Oh, it's it!
Oh boy. It's definitely not safe, by the way.
I saw. Think you can get back up here?
Yeah. Keep going. I'll catch up.
Yeah, I've got you.
All right, I can manage.
Come on up!
But only because you said please.
I didn't, actually. Thought you said Ganesh was the remover of obstacles.
He's more than happy to place them in your way if he thinks you'll benefit.